Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can allow camera and microphone into your Google Pro in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you just need to come over at your Google Chrome and then come over this three dot icon and then come over into the settings. Scroll down a little bit and you will get the settings option at the bottom top 3. Then click on that settings and then you will get the option called privacy and security. Click on that and after that here you will get an option at the bottom side called site settings. Click on site settings. After that you just need to scroll down a little bit and come over the permissions section, and after that you can see there on location, camera, microphone. So we will go for camera and microphone. For that we're going to click on camera. So here you can see there are quite a lot of options called default behavior, customized behavior. So if you want to change your camera, you can do it by choosing on your desiring camera option. And after that, you can just click on the default behavior. If you want to ask your camera to use, or if you want to don't allow any sites your camera, then you can choose this default behavior. After that, you can come over to customized behavior. From here, you just need to click which sites you don't want to use your camera. You can just check it. You can see I have allowed use to your camera into Instagram. If I just want to delete it, then just click on the distinct icon. After that, you just need to come over at the microphone section. Click on microphone section. The same behavior to option called default behavior and customized behavior. You can choose any of your microphone headset, like I'm choosing my Bluetooth connection. You can choose any of your preferable one, and you can select the default behavior and the customized behavior over here. So this is how you can allow your microphone and camera into your Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.